It's nice square for angles when you're joining something that you don't want to screw it on. And it comes with its own little clamps. We're going to show you guys how to use it.
This is a great way to make a 90-degree angle on this without any screws first. And this is how you prevent any mistakes.
And this is how you put it. This is for the width of your wood. Okay, so this is if you're gluing something and you want it perfectly square. You put your pin here. This is adjustable, so you adjust it. You start tightening it down. Okay, it's right there. That one's holding that one. That you're perfectly even at that outside. You can use a piece of wood. So right there, we're good. Just move this right there. You put the pin there. This is an adjustable bar that it comes with. And then you start tightening it down for your perfectly square corner. And you're all set. Strong as that.
And you can start drilling here.
Yeah.
Anywhere you want, but we're good.
Okay.
Let's see, let me just show it.
Okay. And now, so we got the corner tied down. Now we want to start putting the screws here. You can start screwing in there. Really easy to go. It doesn't move on you. That way you don't have to hurt yourself.